alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks 3 years of India's unilateral, reprehensible and illegal actions taken on August 5th, 2019 in a bid to change the internationally recognized disputed status and to alter the demographic structure of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. It is evident from the disturbing developments in the last 3 years that under the alarming wave of saffronization that is engulfing India, it has left no stone unturned to pursue its nefarious design of furthering demographic changes in occupied Kashmir. In doing so, through repressive measures including outrageous gerrymandering to create Hindu-dominated constituencies at the expense of Muslim majority.
मज़ीद ख़बरनि ऐं तफ़सीलात लाइ विज़िट कयो असांजी वेबसाइट www.awamiNewsHD.com ऐं ॾिसंदा रहो अवामी न्यूज़ HD।